Welcome to the new era of cybersecurity. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence that assists in penetration testing. We present the AI hacking agent on Kali Linux, a tool designed to find vulnerabilities like never before. Our target for this penetration test will be Metasploitable 2, a machine intentionally designed with vulnerabilities. For this task, we will be using the Kali AI agent Docker container, a powerful environment created by noxgle, available on GitHub. Our agent will operate using the Gemini 2.5 Flashlight Preview 0617 model, although it's worth noting that the Pro model offers significantly better capabilities. What is the task of our AI agent? It acts as a specialized AI agent in the field of cybersecurity and penetration testing. Its mission is to conduct a comprehensive vulnerability analysis for our specified target. Environment and tools. The agent simulates operating within a Kali Linux distribution, utilizing its available scanning and analysis tools, such as Nmap, Nessus, OpenVAS, Metasploit, ReconNG, and even, if possible, simulating the use of the Shodan API. Let's install Kali AI Agent Docker container. Check if container is working properly. If working, you need to set configuration file for terminal AI agent. Choose API and paste your API key. Okay, Kali and the AI terminal tool are working. Now we paste the prompt and press Ctrl S to get started. Now we just observe or go get a coffee. The target system, 192.168.200.181, identified as a Linux 2.6.x system, likely a metasploitable instance, exhibits a critical level of security vulnerabilities across multiple exposed services. Key findings include a backdoored VSFTPD service, a direct root shell, multiple outdated services, OpenSSH, BIND, Apache HTTPD, ProFTPD, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Tomcat, RubyDRB, DiastCCD, Unreal IRCD, with severe, exploitable CVEs, leading to remote code execution and privilege escalation. Furthermore, significant SSL/TLS configuration weaknesses, POODLE, logjam, weak DH ciphers, were identified, along with web application vulnerabilities like SQL injection, CSRF, and exposed sensitive directories. The overall security posture is extremely poor, allowing for easy compromise and full system control. Okay is done. It's a lot of info about Metasploitable Host. In next movie Kali with AI Terminal Linux, try to hack Metasploitable Host.